Hello everyone, it's Kathryn. Today I'm going to share with you how to make this shaker without having to sacrifice the look of this box. You'll need this spellbinders die right here. This is the tiny shadow box. The designer series flower garden. So you'll need to cut out one of this for the box, and then you'll need to cut out two of these for the frame. One of them, keep the flaps on. One of them, cut the flaps off. And then on the one that you cut the flaps off, add a piece of acetate to the back of it, like I did here. I trimmed it down to size, and you can see my little markings still. And I glued mine down to size. So then I'm going to assemble my box. And I like to use glue. I don't know, I don't like to use tape that much, unless it's to make things flat. So on the back of these flaps, you put the glue right here. So you see you have this right here. So these two flaps on this long side got glue put on them. I stand them up like this. You see how I have this stood up? And then I can put the box together. I hope you guys can see that. I'll do it again. So I have the box like stood up. And then I put it together like that. And then I just hold it for a second. I felt like I used tape for a few of the boxes, and I felt like the tape just kept coming up. So I just wasn't happy with the tape method. So then I'm going to come around here on the other side and do the same thing with these long flaps. And I can hold these flaps down. Once you have the box looking like this, then you glue the inside part of the flap here. Tuck it in. I like to just go along the whole way. So then you have the box. So then you just take the flaps and apply the adhesive on the flaps. Then I want to look on the side and make sure that the flap gets down all the way to the box. See, like right here, this isn't down all the way that it can be. So I'm going to push it down. And then right here. Then I just hold these down. So then you have this. Then all you have left to do is to pour the sequins into here, lay this flat, glue this top piece onto here, and then you're done. So as you can see, I already have my sequins picked out. This is already the mix that I used in here, so Alright guys, here it is. You're going to want to shake it, but don't shake it because you moved your frame or any glue that came out from the sides from squeezing this together. It's going to squeeze out right here in the middle, and you want that to dry. So let that dry. Let that dry, and then you'll be able to shake it. So I hope this helped. I hope this was a good tutorial. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.